at the hotel. Don't want to leave, but gotta leave. Back to reality. It's a Monday morning, so happy Monday. Took the day off. Both of us have taken the day off. But yeah, we're here and we're getting ready to leave. We are going to get some breakfast. Yeah, we're going to get some breakfast, and then we already started packing off, so that helps a lot. So we're gonna get our breakfast and then head out because we do have a long journey ahead of us. Thanks guys, put those in because I always feel it's a bit weird about wearing my earrings. Anyway. Yeah, oh, today is our actual anniversary, so April 13. Yes, as I said, we're one of those couples that celebrates our engagement anniversaries, and I think it's important as a couple to have milestones that you celebrate. So we do celebrate our engagement anniversary, or boyfriend-girlfriend anniversary, like when we actually committed and said, okay, this is when we're boyfriend and girlfriend, this is our day. I actually do think we're like a little bit of a month behind on our boyfriend-girlfriend anniversary because we just chose a date in November. But anyway, it's fine. It's the commemoration that matters, and then obviously our wedding anniversary in January. So I love that my husband is in line with my needs and my wants with regard to that. Like, I think it's important, and I think after a while we kind of just say, okay, after you go through marriage and you go through life together, you realize that having that milestone, having that beacon of a date to look forward to, you say this is a commemorative time. We kind of slow down. Even if we don't do a staycation or a vacation, we will go and do like a dinner, or we'll sit down and we'll reflect on the day or something. You know, something has to be done to make, because it's a special day. The day I chose to say, sure, I'll marry you. Anyway guys, so I'm just putting my final touches together with the bag. This is a handbag that I've carried this whole weekend. So it's a pretty good bag. I got it on SHEIN, so it's not I mean, it's actually holding up pretty well. I'm not very rough with things, but yeah, I got it on SHEIN, and this I think is linked in my SHEIN storefront. So if you're looking to purchase anything that I share on this channel, it is in. I have an Amazon storefront, and I also have a SHEIN storefront that you can check in the description for the links to both and instructions on how to access the SHEIN and yeah, it's all there. So this is a bag that I'm really liking right now, and I think it's really cute. Very simple, very chill, and what I liked about it was that it came with a pouch. So it came with a matching pouch. This is the brown that I think I have other colors on it as well, but you can go check and see and choose whatever you like. But I like the brown because I wanted like a little brown everyday bag. And then my trusty pair of sunglasses, which I'll be wearing. I'll be carrying this along with my tested pair, because as you guys know from previous vlogs, I do wear tested glasses, but sometimes I just want to wear cute glasses, and I am in the mental process of wanting to get contact lenses. So if and when I do decide that, I will bring you guys along and share that process with you. But yeah, these are I love these glasses so much. They're so nice. I love like the detailing. So cute. I got these in Bogota. It's a store called Koaj, Koaj, but you can get these anywhere. I think even if I can find a SHEIN dupe for this, or I'll probably just link it. So it's, yeah, but they're really cute glasses. I love it so much. As I am missing is my black one. Like black, I like this style of frame. I think it's very 90s vibe. But yeah, that's pretty much, yeah. So anyway, I'm just going to fix up my face a little bit. I feel like I have a bump coming in, but it's like so tender. But yeah, I'm just gonna put the final touches on fixing up, and then I just put everything together. This is a very nice, relaxing time for us. Ocean Cliff Negril is a really cute hotel. It's small, it's boutique, like truly boutique, but everybody here is warm. I haven't seen anybody in a bad mood, and they are still recovering from Hurricane Melissa. It's evident in the foliage and the plant life and everything. So, but it's still beautiful here, and they are very warm to us. As I said, we worked with them before, and this time we came here to celebrate our anniversary, and they were still nice to us. You know, really treated us like really nicely. Food was amazing, everything. So if you are looking for a place to stay in Negril, we can't recommend this place enough. It is one thing I like about it is the location as well, because you have some hotels that are like really, really far out, and nothing is wrong with that if you want to go more out to the west end side and you know, experience down there, because we've been down there before and it's really beautiful. But I like the proximity. It's like in proper Negril town, just a little bit of drive, turn around, and then you're like right there. So I love where this hotel is located. Negril is, I was saying to Hakeem that we need to come back here more. We need to come here more, but it's just a journey to get to Negril from Kingston, guys. It's like 3-4 hours drive. But when we come, it's always a nice experience. So I think we're gonna try and come here a little bit more. We've been going to Portland a lot. Portland is our favorite parish, and I think Negril is you know, really giving Portland a run for its money with regard to that. So but it's all beautiful. One thing we love about just living in Jamaica and being Jamaican is that there's just so much beauty around us, and each parish, while they're kind of all similar because Jamaica is really small and everybody's kind of influenced by everybody, there's these distinctions that make each parish unique, and the people, how they talk, how they want, who we are, they are unique as well. So that's what we love about just being here. And we're doing a lot more dry land touristing next couple months. We do have another trip coming up for next month, and then my birthday is going to be in June. So this year is working on some other things for the rest of the year. So just fingers crossed and praying. But we just are, you know, exploring and enjoying, and that's really what it's all about, right? If you like to see more travel stuff, because this channel is not just travel, it's also my day in the life and things like that, but if you want to see core travel stuff, follow our Instagram page. It's at the Country Edit XO. Hakeem is a photographer as well, so if you're looking to book a photographer for any event, things like that, Hakeem Atkinson Photography, or you can visit the website. All of that is in the description below. And then also my socials, Kimberley Atkinson on Instagram, if you want to check me out over there, right? So, oh, and we're also on TikTok at the Country Edit XO, which I'm trying to get back more into, but we'll see. TikTok is not, I think I'm too millennial for TikTok.
I used to go to this church. It's so different.
Yeah.
Waterworks Seventh-day Adventist when I was a child. I used to come visit grandma. May I forget to turn off in a long time in a come down here now. I used to walk up and down on the street. So on Saturdays, if my father left before we walk up way up to the church. And we have to come at church. Am I going to remember the turn off? Because it's so crazy how the place just change up.
Yeah.
Know that there's a jackfruit tree.
I feel like it probably, no, it's not here, so.
I eat it.
Serious? So we're trying to call Hakeem's dad. We can show him that we're here.
I did some ironing.
Okay.
Mind it burn yourself.
Yeah. No. This is my favorite chore. I love ironing.
Yeah, probably quite shaking.
Wait.
Wait, stop moving, babe.
And it's a wrong place.
Is it down where Mama used to live?
Where you used to live too? you never used to live there?
Oh yeah.
It looks so different. Like the land feels different.
Yeah, because my driver, I'm like, is this?
We almost missed the turn. We're trying to figure out.
That's this one.
Tell them you're Mr.
Alright guys, so we're on our way back home and we've stopped. I don't sound like that. I'm so tired guys, but we stopped to get some soup. Every day we're on Spur Tree, right? It's a road.
Yep.
So right here.
I'm gonna hop grass now. He hop grass.
He hopped?
Yes. So there's a little beach and he hop across.
Oh, that's so cute. And yellow soup for the long journey. Alright, so I'll show you guys when I get it.
Here's what?
Yeah, you wanna put that around the back? guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I realized I've been going along, did not intro the channel or did not intro this video like right at the beginning, but I did pick up this new vlog on our way back from Negril. So the last video you should see or would have seen on this channel would be our Negril staycation. So hopefully you've watched that one, and if you have not already, I'm gonna link it. I think it's gonna be right here, and I'll also put it in the description below. But welcome back to my channel if you are a return watcher, and if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Kimberly. I do a bunch of lifestyle content, travel, things like that, days in the life, weekly vlogs, that type of vibe. I am based in Kingston, Jamaica. I'm a corporate girly. I work from home most of the time, at 99.9% of the time. On certain days I do pop into office, like today. For today I am working through some deliverables that I have a bunch of things to prepare. For those who, I would have said it before in this channel, but I'm just saying it now, I'm in communications, so I do prepare a lot of content and just writing, things like that. So I'm doing that right now, but I just said let me take a little break and say hi to you all formally. Hope you enjoy it, and if you have not already, I'd appreciate if you'd like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment as well, that helps me out so much in the algorithm, and I hope you enjoy the channel. Yeah, so I'm just gonna finish up work. I'm gonna work through lunch. I think it's, what time is it? It's almost 12, but I think I'm gonna power through because I did have a big breakfast and I can't eat anything else right now. I'm full. So yeah, I will finish up my day here. Hakeem is also in office today, and I also have a meeting a little bit later with my officer, so I'm gonna get into that. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be my day. So that makes me happy. Ship a part in from Australia. I don't know what the status is, but that's what we've been waiting on.
No, I'm not steal. But if you see how do something there, you have.
Oh, this actually is nice, you know.
Not bad.
Oh yeah, I like
You're not coming.
I like this.
This is so tiny. Literally.
We're toying with the idea of a new coach, but I don't know. I like this. Happy Sunday! So guys, I have my blueberry smoothie and I have a lot of stuff to do today. The place is in disarray. I don't even want to show you guys anything too up close because my shame. No. This is as much as you know because I don't even know if I can do even like a cleaning montage or anything like that. This is needed. This is my smoothie. I didn't add the usual stuff. I didn't add any protein powder to it. I just put a whole heap of blueberries and get inside. Get inside. Yeah, I just added a whole heap of blueberries and almond milk, and that is it because I don't have any time for extra, so I couldn't bother go to the pantry and get the protein powder, so that's what it's going to be today. I want to come and sit down and just say thank you to all the subscribers that have joined in recent time. I'm so appreciative and I'm so happy to see the comments, things like that. Persons are engaging with the channel, and that's all I've ever wanted because I want obviously to grow and to put myself out there and to see that my content is being received in a way that's really nice. I'm happy. The growth is like, you know, I'm not at 100K and things like that, but that's not my goal necessarily. My goal is to have an engaged community, and I know that there are a few key people that will leave comments from time to time, and I see those persons and I appreciate them so much. But yeah, I just really am happy with where the channel is going. Steady growth. I did have a surge with the Portland vlog, so if you have not seen that yet, you can click, I think it's gonna be right here. I can never remember where the thing is. My most recent upload I think would have been Blue Hole related, or I think it's the Negril vlog at this point. I don't know because I'm working on another vlog which would probably be out by the time this one comes out. Yeah, just a little short vlog. So yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at with that. But I just appreciate all the support and the engagement, and as usual, if you have not hit subscribers yet, if you're watching this, please hit subscribe and also like this video and leave a comment. I always respond to the comments, so just leave a comment guys and I will respond to you. So for today, I do have a lot of cleaning to do. As I said, Hakeem has just left for an event for work, so he's there. Well, he should be there by now. He's supposed to reach by 8:30, it's now 8:06. I did wake up with him. Well, I did set an alarm to wake him up because I wasn't sure if his alarm would suffice. I want to have like a 2-for type of day today where I clean up the place because the place is in disarray. Also, I want to get a report done for work. I have a story to write for work, and I also have I think those two are going to be my main things, the story and the report, because those things are outstanding. So I need to get those off, so I will get them done today. But they're pretty much done. It's just for me to review because my officer would compile the report and then I would review it and also input my areas. And then I think my sister and her family is supposed to come over. I'm not sure, but based on the timing, it's now 8:08. I'm gonna give myself 2 hours to clean. I think 2 hours should suffice. I think I need to strip the bed. I need to start a load of laundry. I am going to strip the bed. Bed wants strip. I need to sweep out the place, mop out. I need to wipe off the floorboards. I've started wiping off the floorboards, guys, because we have white floorboards and they kind of look crazy if you don't wipe them off. And then I think I'm going to touch up our door if I can find a paintbrush. But I think I need to touch up our door. I don't know if I'll be able to get to it though, based on the timing, because it would have to be like a first thing in the morning type of thing so that I don't close the door, because our doors are black. I painted them black. I think I would have had previous vlogs where I show myself painting them. Yeah. The good thing about black doors is that you don't see any dirt. That was my thing because we had some pale doors before, similar to the ones that are in our bedroom. But I just knew, I just foresaw it that eventually when you those handle areas or when you touch, it's gonna get dirty, and that would have just upset me because I don't want to be cleaning doors on top of my plate. So I just painted them all black. So that's gonna be my plan for today. But I'm not gonna bore you guys and show you guys that. I don't know. I'll see what I can do with clips, but I don't know, guys, because I need to focus all my energy and to be maneuvering the camera and everything might be a little bit much for me mentally. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video. If you're from Jamaica and you are looking for content creators that are like really slow paced travel you know, vibes. I'm in my 30s, so I know a lot of persons are liking to see the perspective of a 30-year-old. I'm like mid-30s now. I'm 34, so I'm 35 in a couple months. I'm so excited. My birthday trip is currently loading. Hakeem is so cute. He created an itinerary for the trip. I needed like a presentation. Like it's like it has. I think I'm gonna share it with you guys after the trip. So that's in a few weeks, and it's like cute. Like he did it up with my picture. That guy. But yeah, if you are into that type, and if you're in the diaspora, or a part of the diaspora, hi mama, and you are looking for content creators similar to my vibe and like myself, keep watching and share with your co-diasporees. I'm glad that people are subscribing and liking it, and I aim to create content that I can be proud of 10 years from now. Yeah, and I'm learning and growing. You'd notice that the channel, like, I'm learning my editing style as well. Just like, even for the Portland vlog, as I mentioned before, it looks different because I was learning grading, and now I feel like I have a little sweet spot with the grading, with what I like. I don't know, let me know, because I see other persons commenting on previous vlogs and saying like they like the cinematography or they like the look. I'm like, the drone shots, like Hakeem is growing and learning the drone footage stuff and learning to work the drone, and I need to learn to work the drone, but I'm just afraid. I don't have navigation skills, I don't have any hand-eye coordination, so I'm just afraid. But I think eventually I'm going to learn how to work the drone, especially for the travel vlogs. I don't think you can have like a travel vlog without at least some sort of drone shot in there these days. I don't know. I like to see them because I like the perspective, and I assume people like to see the perspective. So I'm going to just get into cleaning, get into my morning, and hopefully finish by 10:30, the latest. I don't want to pass 10:30 with cleaning. So let's get cleaning.
So is it so far?
Like it's pretty decent. Like especially when you reach the point of thriller, it's like uncanny. Like from side profile and like yeah, they have the same mouth. Like that Jackson mouth is very undeniable. So it's like, but I'm feeling it, like I get chills at certain points. Like when he was doing the music, when he was giving the instruction, he was like, I just want to try something, and like a little flow, like little gestures. Oh my god, they look like him.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I like the interjection of the music and everything.
I don't love how they place in the music though.
Really?
I think the cadence of the music is a little off. Like they'll play some songs I don't think fit certain spots. But the performance of Jafar is solid so far.
He's a good pick or choice for the actor.
Man, I don't think anybody else could have do it.
Bingo was Jafar.
Yeah.